Tired of juggling spreadsheets and endless email chains while your competitors are closing deals faster than ever? Let's ditch the chaos and unlock the power of streamlined sales with this quick Freshsales CRM demo. We'll start with the heart of any CRM, contact management. Freshsales neatly organizes your leads and contacts. Notice on the left, you'll find navigation pane. Use the navigation pane to access various features like contacts, deals, and activities. Clicking on a contact reveals a 360-degree view displaying their information, communication history, and associated deals, all in one place. You can easily add custom fields to capture specific data relevant to your business. Now, let's talk automation. Imagine automatically assigning leads to the right salesperson based on location or industry, and triggering personalized email sequences with predefined templates. Freshsales can do this and more, saving you valuable time. Finally, gain valuable insights with comprehensive reporting. Freshsales lets you track key metrics like sales pipeline, conversion rates, and team performance. Customize reports to visualize the data that matters most to your business. Freshsales also features lead scoring that helps you prioritize leads that are more likely to convert by assigning points based on demographics, behavior, and engagement, so your team focuses on the hottest prospects. Ready to transform your sales process? This demo scratched the surface. Explore Freshsales further and see how it can empower your team to close more deals faster. Visit Freshsales website to start your free trial today.